Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to add sign up button on Facebook. So if you're new in this channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and also turn on notification by pressing the bell icon. Now go to facebook.com and you can see pages. So as we are going to add sign up button, and now just to go to your page, now you can see add a button and click on that. Right now you can just wait for edit action button. Now you can see there are lots of options available, lots of button available. So you need to look for sign up, and which is you can see here. Right now click on sign up and you can just put your website. So it will depend on you how you add your website. Right now you can just put here sign up link, or just simply click on save. So you can see a new button has been added to your page. So in this way you'll be able to add sign up button.